Our website has very many useful tools for you and your customers. Have you ever wondered who your product representative is? Go to our Contact Us tab and click on Product Representatives. Here you'll be able to find who you can contact if you have additional questions and who is over your territory. The Product Distributor tab is where your customers will be able to find you. Here they will be able to enter the location desired and be able to find your contact information. Under Support Tools, you'll find a list of different information and useful tools. From our lead program information to our literature, which is our cut sheets and brochures, the technical information, which is the product submittals, to different diagrams, equations, arc length calculators, and even a radius layout template form. All of these are useful in helping your customer find the right curved framing product for their job.